What are other ways to connect a PS4 without HDMI?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about different ways to connect your PS4 if you don't have an HDMI cable available. For those of you who might not know, HDMI, or High Definition Multimedia Interface, is the standard way to connect modern consoles like the PS4 to a TV or monitor. But what if you don't have HDMI? No worries. We've got you covered.
Why might you need an alternative to HDMI?
Before we dive into the alternative methods, let's first understand why you might need an alternative to HDMI. Maybe you have an older TV that doesn't support HDMI. Or perhaps your HDMI port or cable is damaged. Or, you might be in a scenario where you simply don't have an HDMI cable handy. No matter what your situation, rest assured, there are alternatives available to connect your PS4.
Using an AV to HDMI converter.
The first alternative we'll discuss is using an AV to HDMI converter. This method is especially useful if your TV doesn't have an HDMI port. To use this method, 1. Connect your PS4 to the converter using the HDMI port on the PS4. 2. Connect the AV cables from the converter to the matching colored AV ports on your TV. 3. Power on your TV and PS4, and select the correct AV input on your TV. The converter transforms the HDMI output from your PS4 into an AV signal that your TV can display.
Using a DVI to HDMI adapter.
If your TV or monitor has a DVI port, you can use a DVI to HDMI adapter. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Connect the HDMI cable to the PS4 and the adapter. 2. Connect the adapter to the DVI port on your TV. 3. Turn on your TV and PS4, and select the appropriate DVI input on your TV. Please note that DVI doesn't support audio, so you'll need an alternative solution for sound, like connecting your PS4 to a sound system or using headphones.
Using a DisplayPort to HDMI adapter.
If your display device features a DisplayPort, you can use a DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. Here's what you need to do. 1. Connect the HDMI cable to the PS4 and the adapter. 2. Connect the adapter to the DisplayPort on your TV. 3. Power on your TV and PS4, and select the DisplayPort input on your TV. Similar to DVI, DisplayPort doesn't carry audio. Therefore, you'll also need an alternative solution for audio with this method. Those are 3 viable options for connecting your PS4 without using a direct HDMI connection. Each method has its own advantages, and you can choose based on your available ports, cable availability, and audio setup preferences. I hope this video helps you get your PS4 connected and back in the game. Until next time, happy gaming!